Hello my artist friends, welcome to Maak channel. Let's draw a shark. His big eyes, his very big body, and his sharp teeth. It seems that our shark is afraid of something. Does anyone know what sharks are afraid of? I was very interested when I found out. You may not believe it. Sharks are afraid of dolphins. If you want to know why, search it. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.